Ecolab is a global leader in cleaning, sanitation, and hygiene solutions. The company used to be centered on providing low-cost cleaning solutions under CEO Doe Baker. The company started shifting their focus towards sustainability and resource efficiency, particularly in areas like water and energy use. In 2011, Ecolab made a major strategic move by acquiring Nalco, which was a global leader in water treatment and management. The acquisition of $8.3 billion allowed the company to expand beyond cleaning and sanitation, taking them to a whole new market. The acquisition led to skepticism for investors and shareholders due to a large financial commitment. These are the problems by acquiring Nalco. First of all will be the risk of cultural difference and operational focus. From both companies, they managed totally different. Ecolab maintained a sales-driven business, while at the other side, Nalco had emphasis on a more technical and engineering approach. These two different businesses approaches can create a risk due to each other's focus and priorities. Another problem would be by acquiring Nalco, it required a large financial commitment, including a 32% premium over the market value of Nalco stock. This move normally leads to skepticism among investors and shareholders, questioning if the deal will create enough value or if Nalco would be taking risk. These big acquisitions always create pressure, leading to companies having to meet their financial expectations if the deal been made. Another consequence would be definitely be the increase of examination towards the company over whether they can successfully achieve the strategic benefits from them acquiring Nalco. If the company doesn't meet their financial expectations by acquiring after the acquisition, the company will face a loss of shareholders because of the drop of the stock price. Some solutions for both the problems. To handle the difference between for the cultural difference and the way both companies work, Ecolab should focus on bringing both sides together instead of forcing them to work and adapt together. They should refocus their goals, creating a new organization. This will create a smooth transition from both companies, leading to strong collaboration between both. And to address the concerns about the size and cost of the acquisition of Nalco, Ecolab should focus on proving that the deal will create a new long-term success and value towards the company. Going into a whole new market, it might be strategically beneficial, creating a new source of income for the company. As long as they don't shift their goals from what they achieve, they should be able to profit, showing to the shareholders and investors that the acquisition paid off, leading them to a higher value for the company. Overall, acquiring Nalco will definitely present both challenges and opportunities. Growing concerns about culture difference and large cost of the deal might be a problem, but at the same time, it opens doors for new opportunities. If managed well, the strategic move from Ecolab can potentially strengthen the position in the market for both companies, creating a greater value for its stockholders and investors.